Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. So this is the painting you guys are going to see in the video today. It is a sunflower swipe, and I have done similar colors to this before, and I love how this looks. I love how the colors pop on this black background. I recently launched my sunflower swipe online course, so if you guys are interested in that, you can check it out on my website, crystalcoastoriginals.com. Make sure you sign up before July the 10th, because from now until July the 10th, I'm offering the course at a special price of $29.99. If you guys have any questions about the course, feel free to email me. You can also check out my website to find more information about what will be on the course there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.